Yeah.
Wait, take a picture first.
Oh no, we're good. I'm just.
Alright. Wait.
Abraham, what are you doing today? What are you here for?
Guitar.
Guitar? Okay. Go.
You go follow us.
Yeah. You guys are gonna do it together?
No, I'll go first.
You go first? Or do you always go first? Oh, I love this room. It's so cozy.
Yeah, it's really nice. Alright, ready? Did you bring your notes?
Yeah, did you bring it for him? Yeah? His notes.
These are all ours.
Oh, okay. Maybe you want to take off your coat first? Put your guitar right there. Take off your coat so that it's not in the way. No? Okay.
Alright, Adriana, I'm gonna teach me a little.
Ye?
Yep, nice. Alright, now let's see if you remember how to tune. So you pluck the first string, and then follow it, see where it goes to. Right here, right? Alright, pluck it again. Nice and loud, like this. Yep, try to bring it to the middle. Keep plucking it.
Oh, is that how you do it?
Yep.
Oh, that's cool.
Yeah, this is just called Guitar Tuner.
Okay.
And if you just go on your app store, and you just download
Oh,
one.
is that what you were gonna download, Adriana?
No, the other one, the one that keeps track of the.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, what she's talking about is the metronome, which counts the beat for her, so she can stay on beat.
Oh, okay, okay.
Is it good? Or keep going. A little higher. It says too low. You're getting closer. A little more. Good job. Alright, next string.
My jacket is too extracting.
Oh, you want to take it off?
I told you.
Distracting.
Too distracting, huh?
Mom, it's making me
I told you.
Here, let's scoot you over here. Let's put you right here so your guitar doesn't hit the table. Okay.
You're on G, right?
Yep. This one. So go a little higher. Do you remember A? Okay, those are called chords. Remember that, okay? Try it out. Remember where to strum from? Yep, you have it right. Yep, right there. Strum. Perfect. You want to hold a little tighter, okay? So hold right there. Hold as tight as you can. Strum from there. Yep. Good. Now I want you to hold D for me. Remember D? You remember. Yep. Yep.
I'm a little much more
Yep. Perfect.
good at D.
That's okay. And then D, you want to strum from here. Oh, here.
Here?
Yep. Yeah, just like that. You remember now, right?
I'm better at the D.
At D now? I think you're good at both of them. Alright. So, do you remember how I taught you to check to see if you're holding it tight enough? You notice how your fingers are getting stronger to hold it better now? Right? After practicing?
Mhm.
See? Yep. Yeah, just like that. Alright, so since now you know 2 chords, is it okay if I teach you 2 new chords today? You want me to teach you 2 new ones? Or work on the ones that you've still been working on? Work on the 2 ones still? Yeah? Okay, sounds good. Alright, so I'm going to have you practice strumming 4 times down. 1, 2, 3, 4.
That's what we start all over.
Mm-hmm. So I want you to practice switching from A and then switch to D. But strum down 4 times each time for each chord, okay? Try it out. Perfect. Now I want you to switch to D. Oh, move this one down. Yep. And then bring this guy over here. Good job. Yep, and then do it again.
Adriana? Adriana?
That's good.
Let him focus.
Try again, okay?
I think I remember.
You remember how to do it. I think you do too.
But you have to use these.
Yep. So what fingers does it tell you to use? So remember that
1,
these
2,
are
3.
yep. Remember these are frets, right?
Yeah.
So what fret is 1 on?
Oh.
Remember to look at it like this way.
First, second.
The first. So if you put your guitar like this, and look at it, look at E like this. Pretend that this is a part of your guitar, right? So this is the first fret, second, third, fourth, and fifth. These are your strings, right? So it says put your first finger on which string? E, A, D, G, right?
G.
On the first fret, right?
So this is
So-
G. Right?
Yep. Oh, your pointer finger.
This.
Yep. So where is this one at? 1, 2, 3, 3 strings down. So 1, 2, 3.
Like this.
Yeah. Just like that. 2 and 3. Yep. So number 1, 2, and 3. Your fingers. And then where's the say to strum? There's no X's, right?
No.
So usually if there's no X, that means you strum from all the way from the top. Hear that?
What? All the way to the top.
Yep, all the way from the top. You strum down. Yeah. That's called your E. You like it? Sounds good, right? Alright.
Jana did learn about these two.
Oh yeah?
Mm-hmm.
Hey, Gianna learned these too? Okay. Well, I want you to focus on these 3, okay? Sound good? Because before you learn all these or those, you have to learn these 3, okay? Does that sound good? Not too hard, right? Kinda hard? It's okay? What do you think what do you want to work on? Holding it tighter?
Everything, right?
Learn how to almost had it.
So those are called G chords. So the chords you learned at the beginning, the ones I taught you here, these are just called the basic chords.
I told her these and she couldn't remember, so she had to look at these.
That's
I
okay.
had to look them first.
That's okay. So these are some of these. They like G and C and F, A minor, E minor, or actually no, just these four. Some of them carry over to here, but the key or the G chords just has these four chords. So G, D, E minor, and C. So these remain. Oh, these belong to this group. The D chords have their own set of chords too, and you'll learn that from the other ones too. If you look at the E chords, they have their own, and the C chords have their own group. So the group that you're learning right now is the G group, or the G chords. So G chords, you learn G, right? Do you notice what they all have in similar?
Yeah, the 2, the 3 and 4 are always down here.
Yep. So the bottom fingers always stay in here, right? So these always move. Top ones, right? Okay, that's good. All right. Do you remember the strum pattern that I taught you? Did I teach you strum pattern?
2, 2, wait, 1, 2, and 3, and then 1.
This is the one that goes. You mean the down, down, up, up, down? This one, right? That one, right? Okay. Okay. So today, oh, you learned these two? These down here? Oh, cool. Perfect. Only a little bit? Yeah. You'll notice that
Like this. This much. Like this much.
this D, it's called D2, but it's very similar to the old D that you learned. Remember this D? It just doesn't have the bottom part. So they're really similar. If you notice the D slash F sharp is a little slower.
A little sorry.
A little slower? Okay, let's try. Oh, no. Let's try 50. This is go. And if you can't switch on time, then that's okay. And just figure out the next chord, and then wait till it goes back to 1 again. And you can wait again while you're switching if you can't catch it. That's enough. Then you can go to the next one. Make sense? Alright, why don't you try that? So you can play this alternate, these chords right here.
I didn't charge it. There's always that.
Hold on, let me change the speed. So 3 will sound like 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. So the 3 is when you go. So it's gonna go down, down, up, 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 down. Make sense? Try that. That's okay. And then if you mess up, you try and catch it again. We can try slower too. Yep. Let's try 45. Yeah, let's try 45. Let's go down, down, up, 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 down, 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 up, 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 down. So those are the E chords. So what I want you to do for homework is just to practice these. You can even try these too if you want. You know, it's all the same chords, just different, different position. So it's just rearranged, but it's all the same. Does that make sense? Okay. So, and then lastly, do you have any questions about these? These, I'm pretty sure you can figure out these for yourself.